Here's how to install a Rain-X Latitude blade on an I&L type arm. First, remove the pre-installed connector from the blade. To do this, hold the blade down on a flat surface with one hand. Then firmly grasp the end of the connector with the holes and pull it off using an up and back motion. Don't be afraid to use a little force. The connector will pop off and detach. You can also try an alternative method for removing the pre-installed connector. For this method, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Hold the blade down on a flat surface with one hand. Then insert the screwdriver into the back end of the connector, between the connector and the wiper blade. Push the screwdriver in about 1 inch and slowly lift it up to separate the connector from the wiper blade. Now attach the new connector, ensuring it is properly aligned with the wiper blade. To do this, make sure the arrow on the top of the bracket mount is pointed to your left. Then hold the connector as shown and center it over the bracket mount. Finally, press the connector down until it clicks into place. You're now ready to install the blade. After you've removed the old wiper, make sure the arm is in the up position. First, slide the hooked portion of the arm into the grooves at the end of the connector. Next, tilt the blade up toward the end of the arm. Finally, secure the arm in place by sliding the locking tab until the release button snaps back into place. Tug the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the plastic protective cover from the blade and gently lower the wiper arm onto the windshield. It's that simple. You're done.